Hi, Jeff Costello. I'm here with Susan Stoddard. We are up at our Town Square development. Incredibly excited, as we always are when we're up here. Just want to let you know we're going to throw a ton of information at you today, but you can always visit the website, eastbrookhomes.com, or better yet, give one of us a phone call. Currently, we have a total of 13 sales up here, but we want to kind of tell you a little bit about our patio home. Seems to be some misinformation about that. So I'm going to let Susan kind of explain a little bit about the Bay Harbor, the unit that we're in right now.
Welcome to the Bay Harbor. This offers over 1,900 square feet. It is our patio collection. With this floor plan, it does come with a 2-stall attached garage. This is actually going to be our parade home, so we're very excited to have everybody come through home number 5 at
Home number 5.
Parade Homes. This home does offer 2 bedrooms and living space upstairs. It's very deceiving from the road. It looks small from the outside, curbside, but when you come in, every inch of this home is user-friendly and offers plenty of storage. We do have additional storage above the 2-stall attached garage, with an option to customize and personalize a 3rd-stall garage if you feel the need for additional living space.
Now, Susan had mentioned patio homes, so we talk about that because we kind of talk about it in our office. We know what that means. To the general public, essentially what this has or doesn't have is this does not have a basement on it, okay? So it's new to the Michigan area. If you go elsewhere in America, Florida, Texas, the Carolinas, you get a lot of this type of home being built. Up here, what we decided to do for a couple different reasons is, first and foremost, wanted to make sure we took care of the environment here, okay? But we also have storage above the garage, pull-down ladder, so we do have your storage needs accommodated. And we also have a patio section for each individual home out here. It's a 14 by 20 section that we have for you to do whatever it is you choose to do with. So a lot of different fun things going on. We hope to see you up here during the parade. Thanks for stopping and have a great day.
Thank you.